Hey, my beautiful people. Welcome back to SoulSync, the space where we dive into confidence, love, attraction, and everything that makes us feel magnetic. Today's video is going to be fun, flirty, and let's be honest, a little spicy. We're talking about how to look innocent, but be seductive, specifically around the guy you like. Because sometimes you want him to notice you, but not in a loud, obvious way. You want to be the girl he can't stop thinking about, the one who gives soft energy but leaves a strong impact. This video is for the girls who want to leave a lasting impression without saying a word. Let's get into it. 1. The soft gaze, then look away. One of the most powerful moves you can make is all in the eyes. When you're around the guy you like, let your gaze linger just a little longer than normal. Not creepy, not intense, just enough for him to feel it. Let your eyes soften, almost like you're caught in a daydream, looking at him. And just when the moment starts to feel intimate, look away and smile gently. That quick shift from bold eye contact to innocence? Absolutely irresistible. This move combines curiosity with sweetness. You're showing interest without being too forward. It makes him feel chosen, even if just for a second. And because you're not constantly staring, it leaves him wondering, did she mean that? Was it just a look? That mystery is what makes you so memorable. 2. The playful innocence in your voice. The way you speak can change the whole vibe. When you're talking to him, use a soft, sweet tone. Not fake, just relaxed. Let your voice rise a little at the end of your sentences, almost like a question. It gives off an innocent, feminine energy that feels approachable but quietly alluring. Now add a little tease. Say something playful, then pretend to be shy about it. A soft laugh, a quick glance down, maybe a gentle touch to your neck or lips while talking. These subtle moves create a contrast between your words and your energy. You're showing confidence in disguise. And trust me, he'll feel the shift. 3. The accidental touches. Touch is powerful, especially when it feels unintentional. When you're near him, let your fingers brush his hand when you pass something. Lightly tap his shoulder when you laugh. Or, when you're sitting close, let your knees or legs barely graze his for a moment, then shift slightly like it was nothing. These small touches don't scream, "I want you," but they definitely whisper it. And because you don't overdo it, it keeps the moment innocent on the surface, while his mind runs wild beneath. This is about creating electricity without ever lighting the match. Ask the right questions. Want to drive a guy crazy without being obvious? Ask him questions that feel innocent, but go a little deeper. Instead of, "How was your day?" ask, "What moment made you smile today?" Instead of, "What do you do?" ask, "What do you love about what you do?" Let him open up, let him talk, and then really listen. The seductive part? It's in how you respond. Nod slowly, smile thoughtfully, play with your necklace, or sip your drink while he speaks. Your presence becomes calming, your attention becomes addictive. He'll leave the conversation thinking, "She really saw me." And that kind of emotional intimacy? That's rare and so seductive. 5. The way you dress, but make it strategic. Looking innocent but seductive is an art, and how you dress plays a huge role. Go for soft colors, whites, pastels, delicate florals. Pick feminine silhouettes, modest in the front, but maybe a little open at the back or showing a hint of collarbone. A flowy dress with soft makeup can be way more powerful than something revealing. The key is suggestion, not exposure. You're inviting him to imagine, not showing it all. It makes you feel classy, untouched, but not unaware. When he sees you like this, it creates a tension he can't explain. It's giving "I'm sweet" energy with just a taste of, "but I know what I'm doing." 6. Let silence speak. Most people try to fill every silence. You? Let it linger. When you're with him, don't rush to speak. If there's a pause, look at him and smile slightly. Let your body language talk. Maybe play with your rings, tuck your hair behind your ear, or slowly sip your drink while locking eyes for a second. This kind of silence builds tension. It gives him space to feel nervous, to wonder what you're thinking, to lean in. It shows confidence, the kind that doesn't need noise. You're not rushing to prove yourself. You're already enough, and that calm silence makes him want to get closer just to break it. Keep your mystery. The most seductive women know this. Never give it all away at once. You don't need to tell him your whole story on the first night. Let your layers unfold slowly. When he asks a question, give an answer, but not every detail. When he compliments you, smile and say, "Thank you," but don't melt. Keep him guessing. Let your energy say, "I like you," but your words say, "You still have to earn me." That push-pull keeps things exciting. He'll think about you when you're not around, wondering what else there is to learn. And that curiosity, that's the seductive power of mystery. 8. Be innocently confident. Here's the secret move. Mix innocence with bold confidence. Speak softly, but don't be afraid to hold his gaze. Dress feminine, but walk like you own every room you enter. Smile sweetly, but don't shrink when he teases you. Tease back, just a little. This contrast between softness and strength is intoxicating. It tells him you're not trying to impress him. You're just being you, and that's enough. You're not trying to be seductive, you just are. That's the kind of energy that lingers long after you leave the room. So my beautiful people, remember, seduction doesn't have to be loud or flashy. It's in the little things. The way you look at him, the way you speak, how you hold your own energy without giving too much away. Being innocent doesn't mean being clueless. It means being powerful in a softer way. If you made it this far, drop a hate in the comments to let me know you're part of the SoulSync squad who gets it. And tell me, which of these moves are you already doing without realizing? Or which one are you going to try next time you're around your crush? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this with your girls. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay soft, stay seductive, and stay glowing.